Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Alan and I'm a digital creator out of Central Florida. Some of you may already know that I've converted a 2015 Ford Transit Connect into a micro camper, and then that I took this camper around the United States. This trip lasted about a month and it was beautiful. I got to visit a lot of cool places, I met a lot of cool people, and overall I came back from this trip with three things. The first thing is I may have found a new area of focus for my photography, and it's going to be adventure photography. The second thing is van life full-time is something I can definitely get into. And the last thing is, in order for me to do so, I have to have a bigger build, which means that I have to convert a new van. For a while now, I thought about it. I've done some research, and a couple weeks ago, I decided to pull the trigger, and I got myself a 2021 Ram Promaster 159 wheelbase. Yes, I did it. And over the next few months, I'm going to try to keep it under a year, but over the next few months, I'm going to convert this Ram Promaster into my ideal camper. And I know it's going to be a lot of work, but I've converted one van before, so I'm going to take everything that I learned converting that Transit Connect, and I'm going to apply it to this new one, and I'm going to take my time. So needless to say that if that's something you guys are interested in, there's going to be a lot of van build coming up in the next few months, so make sure you subscribe if you don't want to miss anything. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the announcement that I had, and I will see you guys in the next one.